So in the previous video, we created and exposed a product page API, which is running in the Kubernetes cluster. And here we're going to show how you can expose an external API that could be running in a VM. And in this case, it's provided by openlibrary.org, but it could be any API, like internal API running in a VM or something like that. So we're going to create this external service, and that's going to be translated by Gloo to lower level Istio service entry objects. And last time we were discovering the API doc automatically because it was discovered as a Kubernetes service. But in this case, we're going to create the API doc manually and embed it inside this API doc object. And we're also adding the ability to just fetch this from a URL so that so you can keep it regularly updated instead of having it inline. So once we copy all of this and apply it, and we could just expose this as another brand new API, but instead we're going to do something a little bit more fun. What we're going to do is we're going to update the route table that we've already created so that we can stitch together these two APIs. So the end user will just have one API, that's the API product, which is reflected by this route table, but now it has backed by multiple different available endpoints. And each one of those endpoints is backed by a different upstream, a different backend. So if it's /API/bookinfo/search.json, it's provided by the external service that's Open Library, and it's going to get host rewritten to the path rewritten to /search.json, and everything else will go to everything except that prefix that we just defined will be provided by the previous product page and service. So now we also have the ability to reorder these objects so that you get the most specific things first. So if you had multiple different prefixes, it gets reordered automatically so that the more specific ones come first. So if we create this, and now if we go and send a curl request with the right API key, of course. But in this case, we're going to search for a book that has this book is called Committee of Errors. And this book is inside this product page service. And I want to get all the languages that are available for this book. So this language, so it gets returned by the Open Language API. And you can see all the different languages that are available for this book. And we can also see that everything is stitched together in a single API. But this will be made even easier in the next section where we expose everything using a developer portal.